vlog! This is officially my first video in this channel. I'm here in Cebu. I'm here in Panagsama Beach in Moalboal. I've been looking forward for this day, as in to finally, first, solo travel, second, work while traveling, and third is to do this vlog. For those who don't know me, my name is Grace. I'm 25 years old. This channel has always been in the back of my mind for a long time. I'm ready to open up my life, share my opinion to the world and my life experiences. There's so much I want to do and I want to share it with you guys. I hope you stay tuned, support me in this, and you grow with Gresha. Oh my goodness, guys. Nakapag-record na ako. Kaso, hindi ko na 0.5. So, mali yung angle. Anyway, today. I'm so excited. I'm going to start vlogging. I'm here now at NAIA Terminal 3. It's currently 4:50 a.m. and my flight is 6:05 a.m. I arrived here 2 hours early, so wala pa akong boarding gate number. So, I'm waiting here sa food village. I wanted to start this vlog sa Grab, kaso nakalimutan kong uminom ng Bonamine bago ako umalis. So, super nahihilo ako sa Grab. I was feeling super duper nauseous. Ang bilis magpatakbo ni Kuya, tapos yung preno niya, yun yung nakakahilo yung preno. Ayun, tapos yung papunta dito naman inside the, like yung check-in and the checking of bags. Super hectic yung area na yun. So, I just went through it. So here I am, waiting for the boarding gate number. Before I hit record, I did some work. I revised the thumbnail I'm editing for a client, by the way. So here, she's my client. She's so pretty and I love her so much. And I can't wait to see her and meet her this year. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna vlog about it for sure. Yeah, I still have to do some work and I'll update you again later sa trip ko na to. Oh my gosh, naalala ko kanina. Di ba nga yun, yung nag-check nga ng bagong staff doon. Nakita niya, bukas yung zipper ko, girl. Nakakahiya, pero buti sinabi niya. Bakit pa naman ang zipper na to kasi oversized pants yung suot ko? Anyway, I'll be back. I'll update you again. Hey guys, I just received a text message of the boarding gate. It's 131, so let's go. It is super convenient when you don't have a luggage. I'm here now in Cebu. I found you, Christy. OMG. Tapos na work mo?
Hindi. Ano pa? Standby lang kami ngayon.
Bye, Christina. Till we meet again.
Sayang ka, dapat one day ka kasi dito.
Babalik naman ako dito.
Kailan pa yun? Bye.
Time check, it's 9:45 a.m. Napatagal yung kwentuhan namin ni Christina, but I'm on the way now to the bus terminal. It's 35 minutes away from the airport. Nag-book na lang ako ng Grab papuntang bus terminal. And then from the bus terminal going to Moalboal is another 3 to 4 hours ride. So, I'll update you guys again. Medyo na uubos na yung energy ko. And I still have work to do, pero carry lang. Probably nagulat kayo bigla kung may kasama. Dapat magkukwentuhan kami sa vlog, but instead, story time ko na lang kayo. But not right now. Ikukwento ko sa inyo about my friendship with Christina. So stay tuned for that. Sabi, door 5 daw. I spent 210 pesos for the bus ride. my room for 4 nights. Looks nice. Simple lang with aircon. This is my second time in this place, but not in this room kasi sa kabilang room kami dati with my friends. What I love is this. By the beach lang. Ganda, diba? And it's super affordable. And by the way, it's a shared bathroom here, nasa baba. Here's my airport fit. I wore running shoes because I'm thinking of running in the morning. Sana kaya ng time. Hindi ko napag-isipan kung anong gagawin ko. Actually, napag-isipan ko naman, dapat matutulog ako. Pero now that I'm here, I wanna go to the beach. Should I? Like, quick lang? But I still have so much work. I don't know. Itsura ko. I'm getting ready. I'm rushing actually. I'm getting ready to go out to eat with my friends. So let me just get ready. Tonight, we're gonna eat chicken. And I'm gonna show you the best place to eat chicken. Nagpasundo na ako sa friend ko. Ang dami nang nagbago dito. Ang dami na dagdag.
Wala si ate mo. Ang nipis mo na, girl! Ikaw pa ba to? It suits you. Hindi ka pa kumakain.
Konti na lang. Siya pala si James. Say hi, James.
Yan yung marka.
Kiara. My bestie.
Yan yung marka ng mga tour guide.
Eat chicken. Our food, chicken. Jollibee chicken. Char.
Low version dyan.
Oo. Pero actually, kalasa nga eh. Do you agree?
Ano mo yung sa sinulog, maraming nanakawan ng mga cellphone. Puros iPhone ni.
Di ba nag-story si Jarian finding iPhone? Nawalan ba siya?
Baka. Kasi pumunta siya dun eh.
Kapatid na, ano niya,
Napakaraming iPhone ni.
kapatid ng asawa niya. Bali yung modus nila is, di ba, also yung paint war. Tapos maskip yan, so sikip, pinapahiya nila dito na paint, saya-saya. Tapos di nila alam.
Kinukuha na pala sila.
May nakaano pala.
Bilyaran. Ay, nakat ko yun. Tinulungan pa nila ako.
Wala kami sa grade nila. Lasing na lasing. Dahil sa ano yung cuerpo. Cuerpo yun.
Shit.
Takot na laso ng kuwerbo sa akin ngayon. Parang laso. Good morning, guys. Time check. It's 3 a.m. and I have to keep my voice low because I think maririnig ako ng mga tao sa kabilang rooms. How did I know? I can hear them snoring. Anyway, I just woke up from my 3 hours of sleep. Pagbalik ko kanina, I went straight to bed. I was supposed to work. Ang sarap matulog. And ito yung mahirap pala kapag solo travel. Well, in general, when you do things solo, it's discipline ang mahirap to get up and do what you have to do for yourself, by yourself. So now I have to work for at least 2 to 3 hours. I have to edit. Then later, I'm gonna jog. Familiar naman ako dito sa place. I've been here multiple times already. So I really wanna show you around and experience Moalboal. What else? I have to warm up my legs for later because I'm gonna practice diving and hopefully hindi maalon because your girl is mahiluhin. And so far, I feel happy and peaceful. I feel like home. Actually, this place feels like home to me because of my friends. Yeah, that's it for now. That's my little update and plans for later. Let's go do some work. Time check, guys. It's 5:14 a.m. and I'm getting kind of hungry. I went downstairs and 6 a.m. pa pala sila mag-open for food. Good thing I brought something with me. Charan! Oh, let me show you what I was able to work on. So here I edited a thumbnail for my client. Next, I have to edit another vlog of hers. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, let me show you where I'm staying at. That's my room. You know, the best part here is this. So let me go stretch first. Ay, masisiraan ka pa ng cellphone, Grace. So excited to see the beach. Time check, it's 6:30 a.m. Wala pang masyadong tao. I'm supposed to dive today. Like, right now, dapat. Kaso, ang lakas ng alon. Hindi ko kaya yan. I love it. I'm so relaxed. Let's buy ulam. Here's halang-halang. This is what I'm going to buy. Halang-halang. Spicy pala. Pero sige po. Ito ba lang. Tsaka kanin. Agaling. Ano ba? Diet.
What's up,
Hi, Kev. Hi.
Hi, my name is Asha G. Sabanan, and I live in the Malval, Cebu.
Yay. And what are you doing? Naghahanap ka ng
Hanap ako ng beads.
beads. Ano yan? Naputol ng mga, guess?
Hindi. Yung nagagawa ng mga bracelet na natapon.
Ba't natapon?
Kasi kuwan. Mahangin.
So, saan mo ito kinuha? Doon or dito?
Doon sa
Dito. So, saan malapit yung nagtitinda? Akala ko dahil sa dagat na naputol na Tapos, anong gagawin mo dyan?
gawin ko ng bracelet.
Bracelet. Ang cute oh. May turtle.
Gusto mo?
Sayang hindi ko na-videohan yung mga interactions ko kanina with some of my friends.
Welcome to Malbuan. My name is John Lloyd from Malbuan. Hello guys, welcome to Malbuan.
Hello guys, so by the way, my name is John Omar. We are guide in Cebu Sea Tours
all guys.
and Malbuan, Cebu.
Yeah.
So if you want, you just come here and visit this shop. Okay, thank you. Sarangi.
Tara kayo. Ako pala si ma'am, si Dexter ma'am.
Alias yun yung
Dexter.
mga pinakasigas sa yung
Malbuan.
yung mga gis na yung kontakin.
Kung gusto nyo mag-free dive, visit kayo sa Malbuan.
Pakita natin yung lugar. That was fun. Hi. I'm looking for a place to eat for dinner. It's cold. I'm feeling a little nervous. Medyo lang. I think it's because it's cold or I'm a little bit anxious going out alone at night. Chicken sisig for dinner. Good evening, guys. Time check, it's 7:05 p.m. I'm eating dinner. Kaunta. I'm usually comfortable eating alone, but tonight feels a little bit different. I think ipapa-take out ko tong food. Ang dami. Pwede pa to for later. Ang dami talaga. You'll be surprised how much the serving is. Ate, pwede po magpa-take out. Okay po. Diba? Pwede pa yun mamaya. Okay, next trip. Looking for a milk for my coffee. I'm not familiar with this. Should I buy panlaba? I think magpapalaba na lang ako. I don't wanna stress myself out. Yeah, we're good. I think I want some mango shake. I just remembered I have to buy something to eat for later. Aside dun sa tinake-out ko. Because I'll be working all night tonight. Good morning, guys. I'm gonna dive. Sabi ni Kiara sa akin, gumamit daw ng baby oil or ng any hair oil para sa hair. Sabi, para maganda sa video, para hindi magbuhol-buhol. Oh! Muntik ko na naman makalimutan uminom ng Bonamine. Let me go get it. Tapos, hindi na ako nag-jog. Nag-stretching na lang ako. Dynamic stretching. I don't know paano ko lalagyan yung likod ko. I guess I'm gonna have a V-tan line. Hindi ko nga alam kung expired na ba to kasi matagal na to yun. But oh well. Let's put some sunscreen. Oh, I forgot. Dudulas sa face ko. Yung mask. But hopefully it won't naman kasi light yung consistency ng sunscreen. And I love this so much. By Camo. This is a brand for men actually. Pero kasi nung nakita ko yung consistency sa mga videos sa TikTok, sobrang lightweight niya. Like, ano siya? I know, parang halos liquid na siya. Lalo na oily face kasi ako. So, I love it for daily use. I use Pink Flash for my mascara and blush. This one says Lady. Paubos na siya. And I'm using this every single day. Perfect! That's good. Let's go.
Ya, anak na po ka. Oh, di. Hindi ako sanay sa landscape. Day, ari mo go.
Kinapalan ko kasi sana kinapalan mo kasi mag-fade yan. May dala. Okay.
Iwot.
Pwede mo na ma-adjust balik.
I-guess ka na?
Di ko kabaw manani, uy.
Ay, sama ka ba?
Ano?
Yak! Paduraan niya. Pang-antay mo.
Yung plain white.
Oo, tapos yung white din yung ano. Yun. Kung may size ko.
Okay, kanang pure puti tanan. Ano size mo? Ano yan? Sakto na niya.
Size 6.
Abo ang utok patagod.
Daon sa?
Oh, where here? Tira.
Siya.
Ilan yung paang, ma'am?
Dalawa lang.
Dalawa lang. Tungkol. Din yung gagamitin mo.
Ano yun? Hello guys. It's 9 a.m. And katapos lang namin mag-dive. It's a fail. It's a fail. Nahilo si ate girl. Ako. Nahilo ako. Parang wala pa atang 20 minutes kami sa tubig. Kasi sobrang alon. Oh my gosh. See? Oh my gosh. It's a lot. Hindi ko in-expect na ganyan karami. Hi! Nag-video kasi ako mag-isa dito, papunta ako kay Ate Wina. Tapos tinawag ko siya, nandun ako sa gate, Ate Wina. Wala, hindi niya ako narinig. So, umuwi na lang ako, natulog. Ay! Marunong mag-hi sa camera! Cute.
Yan natin, dali.
Titingnan mo lang yan. Hi, Leo, hi! Nabisi pa po, tita.
Bye! Wow!
Hi, it's my vlog!
Good morning, guys. Time for breakfast. So tired. I'm so tired. So tired. Hello! Ha? Wala si Ariel. Hindi mo kita. Sino pa ba pwede? Kasi parang kalmado ngayon, ano? I was supposed to dive today, but I wanted to just chill too and just relax. But I'm here. I don't know this place. I don't know what it's. Tilas Lounge. Tilas Lounge. This is my view. So pretty. That's Atuida. And the twin. I have to take my supplements. This is good. 10 out of 10 for the mango shake. And I also have a banana here. Lol. Ang dami na nangyari sa akin ngayong umaga pero hindi ko na videohan. I just wanted to, enjoy the moment, my morning. So now, I'm going sa laundry shop. Nauubusan na ako ng damit. So, let's go. After this, magpapalit ako and I'm going to dive. Hindi na maalon. Okay, now I have to do this. Good luck. Okay. May Grace. Hanggang ano oras po kayo?
9.
9. Okay. Mga gabi pa ako eh. Mabalik.
Okay na po.
Okay na yan. Okay. Thank you po. Okay na.
Okay na?
Hanggang ano oras ka dyan sa shop?
Hanggang hapon pa. Mga anong oras mo kukunin?
Gabi pa eh. 8? Hanap na lang ako ng masasakyan. Hi, Ate Berna.
Hindi, mas maganda yung picture tayo din.
Book
It's
mo
a
na, Day.
video. Yes. Hello!
Panglaw ka bukas, sa pagdating mo ng panglaw.
Kung nga, ngayon ko na lang ulit narinig yung word na yun na. Unsa. Ano? Nagla-live ako, ang daming Bisaya ng mga viewers. Eh di nagtatanong-tanong ako ng mga words. Pahuway.
Pahinga.
Pahinga. Nagpahuway. Paturo. Pagutlo ba yun? Hindi. Paturo.
Patudlo.
Patudlo. Patudlo.
Unahin mo muna sarili.
Okay.
Tapos enjoy life.
Ayun nga
Parang
ako
ako
eh.
dati.
Bakit?
Kasi nahirapan din ako dati. Pamilya ko muna inuna, bago sarili. Hindi ko muna na-enjoy yung life.
Nagpamilya na po
Mm.
kaya.
Ano lang, konting tour. Tour Visayas. Tapos yun na. Kaya dapat enjoy life mo. Batak ka naman.
Okay nga lang sa akin na ate, wag na mag-asawa.
Mas maganda yung yung wala kang isipin.
Like, travel.
Hindi, mas travel, mas maganda yung travel talaga.
Tapos papayaman mo na.
Business muna, tapos travel, business,
Ayun nga po.
savings. Maganda yun. Yun yung unang goal mo sa life. Maganda yung may goal ka para alam mo kung anong gagawin.
Yun nga po kayo nag-start na mag-vlog din. Gusto ko talaga siya.
Focus ka doon.
Tsaka sa TikTok.
Kita ka sa TikTok.
Tutuloy-tuloy ko na po. Second attempt of diving. I hope this works.
Hihintay ka niya sa Dubai.
Kulit ni Kuya Julie.
Ari kaganahan ani? Lami ni?
Walang subtitle.
Pumelo siya, pumelo. Hindi ka mahilig sa pumelo, masarap yan.
Nakain niyo yung papaya.
Sarap papaya.
Surf mo.
Buka. Matagal ka na afternoon kasi umaga kami na dito umaga wala ko. Bukas na lang ha, umaga ka.
Wala na.
Wala na pa bukas, umalis na siya. Sayang. Sige, next time na lang bumalik.
Pakita sa vlog ko, ate.
My name is Elvie.
Gabriella. Gabriella. Kuya Ariel. Thank you.
Walang ano man po. Balik-balik na din, ma'am. Balik-balik din.
5 stars. May tricycle po ba paano? Tulay? Magkano kaya?
Usually, mga ano po talaga yan, 50 or depende po sa ano nila.
I got my laundry and I bought dinner too. It's 6:40. I have 20 minutes to pack everything. 15. Let's make it 15 minutes. And currently, I'm still working. I'm uploading my client's video on YouTube. I have to be fast because pipick up ako ng taxi driver. We are going to Bohol today. I chose to ride from Oslo Port. So there are 3 options. One in the city, Cebu City. The other one is in Argao. Argao is much closer, actually. I forgot why I didn't opt for that one. Let me think. Is it because... There's a reason. I forgot bakit hindi sa Argao. I forgot. I'm sorry. Medyo pasapang malamig. I continued editing the vlog last night. Then did work. And then what else? Oh my goodness, I still have a lot of stuff here. Okay. Ang haggard ko. Ang haggard. And of course, you can't forget Tentela. I brought Valaya. 10 minutes. The taxi is so expensive. 2,300 going to Oslo. Hindi ko na-plan maigi yung papunta ko ng Bohol. But I wanted to commute lang sana. But thinking about it last night, I think it's gonna be too hectic. Kapag sa city, sobrang mapapagod ako sa traffic. I don't think it's worth it. 5 minutes, bro. And I'm hungry. What the heck? I am finished. You know why I started going to the gym? It's for this moment. May kailangan pa po ba akong gawin?
Wala na po, wala.
Oh my gosh, I'm hungry.
Tagalog. Tagalog na. Kasi kuha
Alis na po ako.
Nay, nakakuha sa iyong gamit ba dito? Makita sa tulay ko kaya nasi gamit kwaon. Nasi butang na nabilin sa kalunsod ba tulay.
Thank you. Thank you, Junmar. Ebron! Bye-bye!
Bigay mo na sa kanya yung okay ma'am.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Hello mga magandang umaga.
Good morning.
Ako po si Jake.
Hi, kay Jake. Hey guys, I'm now here in Bohol and I will have to end this video because I'm splitting this trip into 2 vlogs. So, I am inviting you to watch the next video for my Bohol experience. I really do hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to comment down below your thoughts about this vlog, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna give you a moment to subscribe. Sige na, huwag ka na mahiya. Mag-subscribe ka na. Thank you so much for your support. I can't wait to see you on the next one. Remember, you show up best when you're whole, so take care of you first. Bye for now.